statistics from our clinicians, the stroke team, the success rates, but most importantly, I would really request the press to focus on one statistic. That is, more than 60 to 70% of the patients are coming within a 48-hour window, beyond a 48-hour window. It's very, very important to try and bring patients in quickly. So again, I'm focusing, what date it is today? It's the 29th. 1 year from now, with your help and with the help of this robot, when all of you come back in for a meeting, I want to take up a collective challenge on behalf of the Institute of Neurosciences, on behalf of our clinicians, on behalf of Chairman and the entire team of doctors that he leads, but most importantly on behalf of the collective mechanism of emergency of the stroke unit, that we will bring down this statistic. We will bring patients in faster. We will treat them faster. We will find a way to get to the. How do we bring the patient in quickly? How do we create a seamless protocol, which the stroke unit does? Once you reach the hospital, it must go step, 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 step quickly. Every minute counts. So they do that. Even go through STAR, smile, talk, look at these, lift your hand, lift your leg. She sees this weakness. The emergency doctor or the nurse who's been part of this protocol finishes the test. By that time, the doctor logs in. The doctor says, this is what I'm seeing, go ahead with the TPA treatment. You move fast. That is the beauty. You treat patients quickly. That is the power. You get better results. That is the hope and that is the promise. So next year, this time, let's hope our doctors are presenting to us that patients are coming in faster, survival rates are much better. More importantly, patients are going back home to lead a normal life. That's why Apollo Hospitals today is committing to all of you to bring this technology. It was only a few months ago that Dr. Arjun Das told Chairman about this technology. He very quickly made all the phone calls. Detroit has a stroke unit. How's it happening there? He told me on one of the trips, go fly to Detroit, go see this thing. Then he told the team, Dr. Hari Prasad, Rahul here, who heads, he is the service line manager for the entire stroke center of excellence. He started doing the research. We contacted the technology. We worked with them. How will it work in India? What do we Indianize? What do we make appropriate for our country, for our environment? And today we're very, very happy that we're able to bring this technology, this capability, this protocol to our country. We're able to bring this hope and this promise to our patients. So please join us in being part of the program. The program is that you must tell your GP, sir, if you hear of a stroke, please react quickly. Ask these patients. Please join us by telling people about the preventive aspects of stroke and the need for early action. And very often in one press conference, you have so much to report. In one small paragraph, it's very difficult to give this message. But we also have a public service message, which is to say that if a person is in doubt, is one of my family members having a stroke? Is there something more we need to assess? Please call the helpline. Call emergency 1066. Call anyone with an AirCell number. Call 55106. With an idea phone, call 555-104, otherwise call 1066. These are easy numbers. You will be walked through what is happening, how do you assess, what do you do next. We'll work with partner nursing homes to get you to a treatment center quickly. The main thing is that everyone has a role to play. I also want to take this opportunity to announce that on this powerful and very critical and important day, we will be starting across the Apollo enterprise. Again, very much driven by Chairman, but the stroke, they call it stroke survivors, but I think it's success with stroke that come together. This is a powerful rehabilitation club which says if you've had a stroke, don't think that this is it. You got discharged from the hospital in 5 to 10 days. One of your family members has a residual lack of movement in the hand or leg. Intensive rehabilitation can improve the quality of life for patients. We want people to live longer. We want them to live better. So we're very happy to also use this opportunity first unveiled the robot. I think our new friend or our new mascot, the RP7, is going to be something we're all very happy to work with. The stroke units, the coordination with the community. So imagine this stroke unit will be in Karimnagar. The control and command station will be in Hyderabad. Across the enterprise, Chennai will have a stroke command unit. They will create a network of hospitals around them with this coordination. The protocols will be put in place and everyone will be part of a common training. Similarly, Delhi, similarly Calcutta, Ahmedabad, Bangalore. So the 7 hospitals which are the centers of excellence for the Institute of Neurosciences will constitute the command, control and monitoring stations. Across them, the network will spread of participating hospitals who will have the power of this. I want to end with only one statistic, which has been constantly focused on, which is the lack of trained clinicians in our country. Would you believe that India, for 1.2 billion people, has only approximately 800 and odd neurophysicians? It's a very